Signing up for video on demand classes is easy. Just go to our website, yogaondavidson.com, click on classes, and find the video on demand link. It'll take you to our Mind Body website. You might be prompted to log in, and then you'll see a list of all of our on-demand classes. You can choose the on-demand class that you want to watch by just selecting it and pushing play. You can adjust the volume, make it a full screen, or add it to your favorite list by choosing the heart next to it. You'll see a short description at the bottom and see when it was posted so that you can always take new classes or repeat your favorites. You can also find on our homepage, you can find our Spotify link so you can add your own music to your classes. As always, we're open to feedback, so please let us know if you have any issues. We look forward to seeing you.